Hi guys, welcome to the Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you how to delete a folder on ProtonMail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. To delete a folder on ProtonMail, you have to be logged in first. So log into the ProtonMail by searching proton.me in the search bar of your web browser. And then sign in by entering email and password. To delete a folder, click on the Manage Your Folders option above the list. Like this, the settings are shown and specifically the folder and labels category. Right below the action function, click on the arrow and choose the option Delete to remove the folder. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.